Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you 3 movements from Animal Flow. So Animal Flow is a really cool type of exercise where you can work out your full body just using your body weight and create flows from animal-based movements. So first movement is the beast. So this is the beast movement. You want to have your back neutral, so push it out and back and then find the neutral point. Tuck your bum under and then push it out. Find the midway point, and then you're going to have both your knees off the ground as well. So you're going to move the opposite hand and opposite foot at the same time. And then switch to the other side. And then reverse, same movement. You want to keep your hips as straight as possible without twisting. And you can also switch into the crab and switch back. And when you're in crab, you want to start like this. Have your neck out, shoulders back, and alternate hand, alternate foot. And forward. And for the lateral ape, start in a deep squat. Put your hands to the side. Put your weight onto your hands. Jump up as high as you feel comfortable. And land with your feet flat on the ground. Repeat. If you can even go into a handstand if you can handstand in this movement, which I'm working on, but yeah, that's it.